Ready to ditch the payment headaches and start accepting cards like a pro? First, let's unbox and charge your Zettle card reader. You'll find the reader itself, a charging cable, and some helpful documentation in the box. Make sure to fully charge the device using the provided cable and a USB power adapter. A full charge usually takes a couple of hours. While it's charging, download the Zettle Go app from the App Store if you're on iOS, or the Google Play Store if you're on Android. Now power on your Zettle reader by pressing and holding the power button on the side. Open the Zettle Go app on your smartphone or tablet and follow the on-screen prompts to create a Zettle account. You'll need to provide some basic business information. Next, let's connect your Zettle reader to your device via Bluetooth in the Zettle Go app. Navigate to the Settings menu and select Card Readers. The app will guide you to pair your device with the Zettle reader. Finally, link your bank account. This is crucial for receiving your payments in the Zettle Go app. Find the bank account settings and follow the instructions to securely connect your account. Zettle will likely perform a small test deposit to verify your account. And that's it. You're now ready to accept card payments with ease using your Zettle card reader. Start selling.